How to buy and send Bitcoin on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can buy and send Bitcoin on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to actually buy or send Bitcoin on Cash App, first of all, open up Cash App. First, let's learn how to buy. Open up your Cash App, go to the Bitcoin tab from here, then tap on the buy option. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, then tap on next option. Select whether it is a one-time order. I'm just leaving it one-time order. Then after that, confirm your cash pin, confirm your purchase. Then you would have successfully purchased the Bitcoin. So this is the way to actually buy the Bitcoin. Now if you want to send Bitcoin, over here what you have to do is simply open this up and again just come to the Bitcoin tab, and from here just tap over here, right? Then you can go to this deposit Bitcoin option or send Bitcoin option. So right here you can tap on this little send option, enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send, and after that enter the cash tag or the Bitcoin address to whom you want to send this Bitcoin. Then once you've done that, tap the next option. Then you can simply confirm your withdrawal to this wallet by typing on confirm option. Then it will confirm that you have successfully bought and sent Bitcoin on Cash App. This way you can buy and send Bitcoin on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.